Is your security gate past its prime? Here are 7 signs it's time for an upgrade. If you see rust or corrosion, especially in coastal areas like Bondi or Coogee, your gate structure could be compromised. Difficulty opening or closing. That's a clear sign of mechanical wear or misalignment. An outdated gate can drag down your home's appearance. Modern aluminium designs instantly improve street appeal. Older gates often lack proper security. New systems include automation, stronger locks, and better protection. If you're constantly fixing your gate, replacement is usually the smarter investment. Grinding or squeaking noises. That's a warning sign of deeper issues. Your needs change. Upgrading to a modern aluminium gate adds convenience, privacy, and security. If your gate ticks any of these boxes, it's time to upgrade. Contact Aluminium Fencing Sydney for expert installation across the eastern suburbs. Get in touch today for a free quote and expert advice. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more home improvement tips.